Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a cucumber cooler. I've got so many cucumbers in my garden and I can only eat so much cucumber salad. So I figured I'd make a cucumber cooler, something a little different, refreshing for this hot weather. I also have some fresh mint from the garden, lemons, and fresh ginger. You can see how prickly this cucumber is. I'm going to peel the skin, and if there are any large seeds in the middle, I'll remove them. This is a standard variety cucumber. If you're using an English cucumber or hothouse cucumber, there are hardly any seeds in the middle, so you don't have to remove them. You can save some of the peel and use it for garnish inside the glasses. It looks really pretty. Trim the ends off, cut it in half. These seeds are pretty small, so I don't need to remove them, but if your cucumber seeds are large, just take a spoon and scoop out the seeds. Cut this into chunks. Take the leaves off. And you can leave some whole like this for garnish. Juice the lemons. To your blender, add the cut up cucumber, a couple of mint leaves, a little bit of honey or sugar, piece of ginger, and some lemon juice, and a pinch of coarse salt. Taste and adjust the sweetness if you need to. There's a lot of flavor from the lemon juice, ginger, and mint, so you can pour it over a glass filled with ice. A couple of slices of lemon and cucumber if you want it to look pretty. A little mint. And you've got a perfectly healthy and delicious refreshing summer drink. This makes one really big drink or two smaller ones. This drink needs a lot of ice. There's no weak taste even though the drink gets diluted with ice. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.